In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Mastadon account. As you can see, I've logged in with my PC, but you can also do this with your iPhone or your Android phone. Then you have to probably download the app to do this. Okay, so once you logged into your Mastadon account, you have to go to your profile. On my PC, we have the edit profile button up in the left corner. So in order to verify your account, you have to scroll down where it says verification. And as you can see here, you can verify yourself as the owner of the links in your profile metadata. For that, the linked website must contain a link back to your Mastodon profile. After adding the link, you may need blah 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 blah. So what you basically need to do is to put this HTML code on your website. So let's say you have a WordPress website. You have to log into your WordPress dashboard, and then you have to copy this code here and paste it inside your editor. Once you have done that, you need to go back to your profile on your Mastodon account, and you want to link to your web page from here. So what you want to do, let's say you have a blog, and we can label it like example. And then you want to put the web address on the right side here. And then you need to save your changes. After adding the link, you may need to come back here and resave your profile for the verification to take effect. So this is basically how you verify your Mastodon account. I hope this helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.